Hello everybody, welcome to another video of mine. Welcome, I'm happy to see you here. God, I really gotta start doing cardio because I got winded so fast. I'm gonna do my hair today because these bangs are not it. Look, I have reached the end of my bang cycle. I do this every year. I actually do this multiple times a year, okay? I start off without bangs and then suddenly I start thinking, oh my god, I actually look so much better with bangs, so let me just cut my bangs. And then I always accidentally cut them too short, but then I actually end up liking my bangs that are too short, and then I keep them for about 2 months and then they grow a little bit longer and then I start hating them again, and I'm like, you know what? I actually think I look so much better without bangs. And that's just a never-ending cycle in my life, okay? Like, I either have bangs or I'm growing my bangs out. That's the only two states I'm in. Right now I am, I think, in the state of growing my bangs out. I'm still not 100% sure, but you know what? I can always cut them anyways, right? I don't like how this looks at all. It's too bulky, it's too long, it has no form, and I think I wanna grow them out. But in order to grow them out nicely, you do gotta cut it, okay? In my personal experience and with my expertise, I can tell you it's always better to cut them a certain way, even when you're growing them out. So today I shall be cutting my bangs, but I like a challenge. So today I shall be cutting them with nail clippers! Hey! Some of you actually, whoa, ah, oh my god, sensory overload. Oh, it has a nail file like built in. And that actually, oh, that feels, oh god, that gives that gives me like the wrong tingles over my entire body. I do want to do it again though. Okay, why do I keep doing it? Why does that make me feel so weird? Okay, let's just try not to I'm sorry you had to look at that insane reaction, but one of you actually told me in the comments that I should cut my hair with no clippers. So thank you for this amazing recommendation. I do not know whether you just want to see a fun video or whether you want to see me fail. Either way, I appreciate your input. And today I shall be doing my hair with this. I want to try it already. Let's just do one hair. Ooh. I mean, I know this is technically a cutting device, but I did not expect that to work so good. Let's just start on my bangs. God, I still feel the weird feeling on my finger. I am not a sensitive girl at all. No, I am completely normal. I don't mind textures. Textures are fine. Should I put the plant in the background so you actually have something nice to look at instead of just my crazy face? Is this better? I think so. For the bangs, I am going to try and make it more of like a rounded shape. So it's gonna be shorter in the middle and then longer on the sides, because that way it just kind of naturally like falls to the side and you get like a middle parting, and that way it like grows out more seamlessly. But we gotta see if I can actually do that with this thing. Why do I keep touching it? Why? Let me just get a comb before. Okay, I found a comb. It's not my favorite comb though, but this one will do, I guess. So, first things first, let me section up the hair. These are the bangs. Oh my god, this is gonna go crazy. This is gonna be insane. I wanna get a piece from the middle just to see like how short I want it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Can I get it? Oh my god, I feel like... Is that way too short maybe? Nah. What? Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go to the side and then cut this. Oh my god, look! It works! Can you see that? Oh! Let's get the other side going. This stuff actually works. That's kind of crazy. I mean, does it look good? I don't really know. Wait, let me zoom you guys in a bit. Get a piece over here. Redirect it. Get my clippers. Oi! Look, I already have a little higher up thingy in the middle. Whoa, this is going amazing. Okay, let's just try and do a big chop. So I'm just gonna get all this hair, gonna redirect it all to the side, cut this off. This is a lot harder than I anticipated though. I don't know why I thought that this was gonna be easy, but this is very hard to do. Because you can't really grip the hair that well. Let me use piece by piece. See there? That we're just gonna cut off. Okay, do you see a difference? I don't know. I feel like I should cut more off. Pew, pew, pew. Wish I could show you all the hairs that I cut off, because I do actually. Can you see? I'm cutting only like little tiny pieces of hair off, but there is, in general, it's like a lot of hair. Okay, let's see the difference. Oh my god, look at this. We're going the right direction. Let's clip this to the side. Pew. And do this side. I think it's gonna work out perfectly fine today. It's gonna be so good, okay? It's gonna be amazing. Look, it's working! This needs to be shorter though. Okay, I feel like this piece is too thick. So let's see if I can thin it out by just like combing it upwards. And then using the end and going like straight like this. So I can just cut some hairs out in the middle. Just get the bulk out of there, you know? Let's see what we got going on. I can definitely spot. Whoa, I mean, well, yeah, it's really bad. It's actually might be really bad. I do think it looks better than what it looked like before, but I feel like I made the middle part like too short already. Like it's giving. I actually do want to have micro bangs. I honestly don't think it's that bad right now. I feel like if I'm gonna do more to it, I'm actually gonna ruin it. But at the same time, it's also not that good. So can I really ruin it? Can I ruin something that doesn't look that good? I do a little bit, little snippies. Some little more snippies. Ow. Is it me or do I look exceptionally white today? Can you tell I haven't seen the sun since July? Okay, let's do this. I feel like that Loki made it way worse. Okay, let me see if I can make this a little bit better off camera and then I'll be back with the end result. But I feel like Loki, it's okay. Hey! Look who's here! Isn't it the cutest little dog in the world? Look at how cute she is. She does not really care for being picked up though. Love you. Okay, so this is the end result of my bangs. Look, it definitely didn't really go as planned because I was actually planning on keeping them as long as possible, but turns out that when you use nail clippers to cut your hair, you actually don't have a lot of control over what is happening. So they did become really short. But I don't mind. Honestly, I love short bangs, so it's fine. Yeah, but yeah, can you tell that I cut my bangs with nail clippers? Please don't say yes. Please don't say yes. Please don't say yes. See, I think I did a pretty decent job. They're pretty uneven and they're not the shape that I wanted them to be. But like they look, if you just look at them like this, then it's fine. Just don't stare at it for too long, because then you start seeing the mistakes. There's still a nice shape now to like grow out. So like over the next couple of months, it will just grow out nicely and it will be like swooped to the side and it won't be like too bulky, like sections of hair that just fall flat on my face. So it actually has a nice shape and I think it's gonna be fine. So yeah, thank you to the person who suggested this to me. And I hope you like the end result. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.